When you want to fry any meat, whether it can be fish, shrimp, chicken, and the outside you want it to be crispy, we have learned various techniques. Today I am going to make a recipe. This is mirchi murgi, mirpakai kodi. So this one is very delicious and tasty because we fry the chicken till it is nice and crispy, then we toss it in a lemony sauce, and it is red and also has got some red chili aroma. I am going to show you how to make this. First, we got to take chicken. I made it with bone on. You can make it even boneless. Cut them into small pieces and now season it. Salt. Anyway, this will go in a sauce again, but add enough salt. Just mix it well. In this, add chili powder. But some recipes, people love that red color. They are used to it because we've been doing this for like 50-60 years. Now, in this, we're going to add pinch of red color. Okay. This is optional. If you want to skip, you can skip. And mix along with this chicken. Slowly you will see this chicken will turn red. See, the advantage of using the color is, if you use too much of red chili powder, the red chili powder color is soluble in oil. When you fry this chicken in the oil, the color comes out from the chili powder. But with the red color, it doesn't come out. If you want your chicken to look red and then you want to fry without spoiling the oil, use food color. If you want, you can use flavoring salt. To give that fast food centered taste, you can add a little bit of flavoring salt. Add ginger garlic paste, some corn flour, and coat the chicken. You can also add a little bit of all purpose flour. One thing you will see is the chicken will start sticking to each other. Look at this. What you can do is, you can add some oil. When you add oil to this, you will be able to drop the chicken easily without these pieces sticking to each other very much. But if I am making large quantities like 5-6 kg of chicken, I always add 1 egg and it will be good. So for this much, this should be good enough. I told you the chicken got to be slightly crispy on the outside. For that, I am going to make a masala. I am going to fry the chicken after tossing it in seasoned flour. To make that, add all-purpose flour, take some cornstarch, add some baking powder, add salt, mix this. In this, I am going to add some chopped curry leaf. That's it, as simple as that. Here is my chicken pieces. I am going to just put it on top of this. Just before frying, toss these chicken pieces in this flour. Look at them, individual pieces are slightly coated. You got to do this just before frying, and then fry it in medium hot oil. And when you add pieces, try and pick big pieces first and add it to the oil. Bone on pieces will take some time to cook. The boneless pieces I am going to add later. Make sure they are coated well with the flour. This will give the chicken pieces that bite which I prefer. Fry this chicken for like 5 to 6 minutes. Then take the chicken pieces and keep it aside, because you are going to double fry this chicken to get that crispy effect. So look at them with the bone on, but you got to fry at least 5 minutes so that they are cooked well. If the pieces are small, if the pieces are big, you got to fry them for 8 minutes. Now look at these chicken pieces, and when you double fry, they'll get even more crunchy. We're going to make a sauce. This is going to be reddish, as well as we're going to add lemon juice. So I have already squeezed some lemon juice and kept it ready. For making this, I'm going to use the same oil. Add oil. In this, we're going to add red chili. This red chili, cooking in this oil will give a very nice aroma. In this, if you want, you can add some curry leaves. Add some yogurt. A little bit should be good enough. In this, add some coriander powder, some garam masala powder. We're going to add some chili sauce. Add Kashmiri chili powder to give it nice red color. Look at this. This will become nice, perfect. Cook it till some oil comes out of this gravy. When you see some of this oil coming out, in this add some lemon juice. That will give some nice lemony taste to this. And the chicken. Here the oil is very hot, and we're going to fry this chicken till this is nice and crunchy. Once again, drop the pieces of chicken. The oil is really hot, and not for long, just for a minute should be good enough. Look at these chicken pieces. They are getting crunchy from the outside. Here, the lemony sauce Ooh, 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 ooh. There is sizzle here too. That's it. Add to this. Toss them. Ooh, boomba. Ooh, boomba. Ah. The guest will wonder, I've gone back to my restaurant days. You will be surprised how this wonderful chicken is crunchy and with this beautiful sauce. Serve it hot. The fried chili flavor in this is just too good. Good, 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 good. Serve a piece of lemon with onions and a great snack for you. Chicken and that lemony taste we love along with the meats. This one tasting amazing. The lemony flavor and the spiciness and too good. Wow. Dear friends, make this. It has got that, kick, the sourness. I'm sure you will just love it. Make it, and when you eat the best of the best food, you got to do ding chick, ding chick. Cooked to perfection, and always enjoy it right away. Little bit of a crunch outside is amazing. Keep cooking. Wow.